Alright, today we're heading out to Lake Miramar Trail in San Diego, California. I took my bike around this loop and it was about 4.9 miles with 85 feet of elevation gain, and it took me about 35 minutes to make it all the way around. Something to keep in mind about this trail is there is a decent amount of parking available, but it does fill up quickly. For me, I showed up probably at the worst time of day, but someone happened to be pulling out, so I was able to take their spot and I didn't have any issues. However, when I was getting my bike ready to go around the trail, I did notice that people had been searching for quite some time. It is important to note that this park does have hours. It is sunrise to sunset, and then every first Tuesday of the month they're closed, as well as some holidays. By clicking on the blog link below, it'll take you to my website, and on my website I have a link to the park's hours page. Make sure to check before heading out there so you're not going to a park that's closed. Nobody ever wants to do that. And just because they do have hours, it means that they could change. So this video could become outdated very quickly depending on the scenario. So always make sure to check before heading out there. On this link, you'll be able to select the recreation tab and you'll see all the activities that they have available. From picnics, barbecues, canoeing, fishing, you name it. So make sure to check it out and see if there's anything else that you're interested in doing, and heck, maybe you won't even be there for the loop, but to do something else. Overall, this is a paved loop, which makes it very enjoyable for running, biking. It's even very stroller friendly. Something to keep in mind though is there's not much shade while you're going around. So if you go, make sure to check the temperature beforehand. You don't want to be stuck halfway around the loop on a very hot day. That does not sound enjoyable at all. And that should be the rule of thumb before you do any trail or hike, is to always check the temperature and make sure that you have enough water for the day. Overall, I really enjoyed this trail. You could do extra laps to make it a little bit more difficult or to add some distance. And remember, if you like these videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below so I know that you're enjoying. This helps me know what kind of content to create and know that people are actually enjoying it and encourages me to do more. I think I've talked enough. To the trail!